Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You all have seen many times before my love for growing vegetables in my small kitchen garden. Today's video is yet another update of the kitchen garden and different vegetables that I'm growing now. This time I thought of giving a try to grow capsicums. To get the seeds of the capsicum, I kept this capsicum outside the refrigerator for 18 to 20 days. It turned red and slowly it dried up, and now the seeds are ready to plant. This is another type of chili, a little less spicy, which is mostly used for making pakoras and or fritters. I followed the same procedure as of the capsicum to get the seeds of this. These potato plants grew really well and slowly started drying. I thought there is no point in keeping them anymore and started removing them, only to find out little baby potatoes growing up. Maybe I removed them too early. I'm using the same potting mixture which I use every time: 70% soil, 20% coco peat, and 10% organic manure. Because I removed my earlier potato plants very soon and I didn't let the potatoes grow, so I thought of trying one more time. So these are the potatoes which were kept in the pantry and they had started growing sprouts. So I just cut them into pieces and put them in the soil so that the sprout is positioned upwards. One more thing you need to take care of while placing the potato sprouts: you need to place them quite deep in the soil so that as the plants grow, you can add more and more soil to it. This actually helps supporting the plants and better growth of potatoes underground. So this is my small attempt of growing different vegetables and taking care of them. I know I'm not able to grow a lot of vegetables and harvest a great amount of them, but just to watch them grow is real happiness for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you again next time with more updates of my kitchen garden. Till then, bye.